Sadik was a man of great faith. Every morning, with the rising sun, he would leave his small home and walk into the quiet forest to pray. Back home, his wife, Sabira, worried. "Sadik," she would tell him daily, "we have nothing to eat. We need food. Please go to work." Sadik would smile warmly and reply, "From tomorrow, my dear Sabira, I will surely go." Hearing the calm assurance in his voice, Sabira would quietly accept his words, though her stomach felt a hollow ache. But the next day, Sadik would once again leave for the forest. He would become so absorbed in his worship that the hours flew by like mere minutes, and he forgot all about his promise. When he returned in the evening, Sabira would ask, "Did you earn anything today, Sadik?" He would shake his head, but his eyes were bright with peace. "I will get the wages tomorrow," he would say. 10 days passed this way, 10 mornings of deep worship, and 10 evenings of the same promise. Sadik had nothing but his faith to show for his time. On the 10th night, as he walked home, Sadik felt a deep shame wash over him. "What can I possibly tell Sabira today?" he thought. "We have nothing, and I have earned nothing." As Sadik walked, something extraordinary was happening at his house. A strong man arrived with tied goats and heavy sacks of flour. "These are for Sadik, the worker," he announced to a stunned Sabira. Then a second man arrived, holding a heavy pouch of money. 30,000 rupees, he said. "Your husband is our best worker. Tell him the owner sent his payment. Tell him to keep working like this." A third man followed quickly, bringing jars of golden honey and pure ghee. Sabira stood amidst a sudden abundance, her eyes finally filling with tears, not of worry, but of overwhelming gratitude. When Sadik finally reached his home, Sabira told him everything. He looked at the impossible provision, the flour, the goats, the money, the honey, and the ghee, and his heart trembled with humility. He realized how generously his Lord, the provider, had cared for him. From that day on, Sadik worshipped with even greater sincerity and devotion, for he knew, true faith and pure worship never go unrewarded.